The Black Beauty tomato is one of my favorite tomatoes, and even though I try to stick to more cherry type tomatoes, the Black Beauty can definitely be an exception year after year. It is an antho tomato, meaning it's got anthocyanins in it, which are antioxidants, such as the ones found in blueberries, which is why it has its dark color on the outside. Inside, it's even more gorgeous. Just look at those colors. It's kind of marbled with red and green hues. The taste is really good too. It's really rich and sweet with a hint of fruitiness. It's just full of great flavor. Even though for me it isn't a super productive plant because it usually only has 2 to 3 tomatoes growing at a time on it, as was the case when I grew it last year, the uniqueness of the flavor is worth it to me to grow again, but I will likely just grow multiple plants of this variety if I can find the space, and I definitely think it's worth making the space for.